Alright, good morning. I'm doing a quick video, some more stuff I'm harvesting today. If you look through here, these kind of half dead plants are all that's really left of my potato patch. It's good to get them before they die, because then you know where to dig up the potatoes. I'm going to dig up a real quick patch here, and then I'm going to see if I can fill that milk crate with potatoes today. We will see. Let's see what we got here. Alright, looks good. Kind of hard to see what's going on here. And here they come. So, let's see. We got this nice little red potato in the basket. And there's what's left of the plant. More red potatoes. Quite a bit. Little things sprinkled all over. I'm actually making shish kebabs tonight, so these will be perfect. This right here is the seed potato that all those potatoes grew from. And there's just more little red potatoes everywhere through this thing. There's more. I'm going to dig this up. It's going to take me a while. And I'll get back to you with some progress. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're done. Dug this sucker up pretty good. Dug that one up pretty good. Got some cleanup to do, but broke one of my sprinklers. But those are easy enough to fix. And I did not fill my milk crate. Yeah, it's about 2/3 full though. Got a lot of nice taters, some whites. It's a white. A lot of reds. I'll usually plant a lot of reds because they seem to grow better. But the whites didn't do bad this year. I had one interesting surprise, which I'd forgotten about. Let's see if I can find one. Here's one. I grew purple this year. Purple or blue, I don't remember. But I think I only dug up 2 plants. That's all I found, at least. I thought I had more in here. But they did really good. I mean, I got a ton. Here's purple. There's purple. There's a purple one I split in half on accident. These little purple guys just, for 2 little plants. Here's another purple one down here. Nice looking potato right there. So next year I think I might try purple more. And next year, maybe I'll get lucky and actually fill the milk crate. I bet you that's about 20-25 pounds of potatoes still, though. Nothing like they look like in the store, obviously, but very good harvest. Definitely we're going to be eating a lot of potatoes around here, which isn't going to be a problem. This is Aaron from Booyah Farms, and go get your hands dirty.